Samsung, the Frame QLED TV, will go on sale again in India during Flipkart Republic Day sale. Samsung on Friday announced the sale of the Frame QLED TV in 55-inch and 65-inch sizes during the Flipkart Republic Day sale from January 19 to January 22. The Frame QLED TV 55-inch will be available at Rs. 84,990. Customers opting for pre-paid transactions through credit cards, debit cards and net banking will get an additional instant cashback of Rs. 3,000. Meanwhile, the 65-inch model will be available at Rs. 59,990 with pre-book offer during the sale period. The delivery of pre-booked units will start from February 1, 2020. Additionally, the TVs will be also available on company's official online store Samsung Shop. The Frame is a masterpiece designed to be more than just a television. We got a huge response during the last sale on Flipkart in September 2019, and the TV was sold out. So we decided to bring back the Frame during Flipkart Republic Day sale on popular demand. This time, we have added a new 65-inch variant as well, said Piyush Kunapalil, Director, Online Business, Consumer Electronics, Samsung India said in a statement. The Frame QLED TV offers superior picture quality with QLED technology and transforms the TV into a picture frame that comes with over 1,200 artworks from around the world along with quantum dot technology, 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ that brings pictures to life and is a Netflix recommended TV, too. Compatible with Bixby and Google Assistant, users can change channels, adjust volume, and control playback with their voice. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.